Hi guys, welcome back to Fantasy Motorsports. Today I'm standing in front of a very rare and cool Cadillac. What's so rare about this Cadillac? It's actually a CT4 Blackwing edition, built by the factory for the track, complete with a manual transmission and a clutch. It actually also has carbon fiber accents. The car is beautiful, super rare, and here for the Ultimate Armor Package. The Ultimate Armor Package by Ceramic Pro is when we actually put a full PPF clear bra over the full front of the vehicle and then finish off the rest of the vehicle with a ceramic coating, giving your car the ultimate protection, the ultimate shine, and it comes complete with a lifetime warranty. Let's take a closer look. So the Ultimate Armor Protection by Ceramic Pro starts with the full front end clear bra. As you can see, every piece of the front is actually covered with paint protection film, starting with the headlights, the front bumper. For this client, we've actually added the carbon fiber trims, including the lower spoiler, the full hood, the backs of the mirrors, and the two front fenders. The rest of the vehicle is covered and coated with fresh ceramic, giving you a lifetime warranty of protection and beautiful shine and gloss on this car. It's actually ready for the track right now. One of the great things that is actually included with our Ultimate Armor Package is a full Stage 1 paint correction, no additional charge. What that does, we actually go through the car and we actually improve and enhance the paint from the factory, also while removing light scratches and swirls, making your car basically better than factory once you pick it up. Inside the CT4 Blackwing, we have a beautiful interior cockpit, as you can see. Gorgeous black and red leather. We have carbon fiber accents through the center console. And again, a manual transmission complete with clutch, ready for the track.
Shirazi Trap